The Spectrum Cable Box E-8 error means your box isn't receiving a signal, displaying no signal or tuner locked. It's not a software issue, but a hardware or connection problem. This happens when the box's tuner can't decode the incoming signal. Common causes include loose coax cables, signal interference from weather, or faulty splitters. Signal strength should ideally be between -10 and +10 dBmV, which you can check with Spectrum's signal meter if available. The key takeaway is that E8 indicates a physical issue with the signal reaching your box, not necessarily a broken box. To fix the E8 error, start by performing a hard reset on your Spectrum cable box. Power cycle the box by unplugging it for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and wait 5 to 10 minutes for it to reboot and rescan channels. This clears temporary glitches. If power cycling doesn't work, try a factory reset through the box's menu. Navigate to Menu, then Settings, and select Reset. Note that this will erase your custom settings. Make sure all coax cables are securely connected and not damaged. Loose or faulty cables can cause signal issues. Avoid overloading splitters, as this can weaken the signal and lead to errors. As of 2025, Spectrum's app and online tools can help diagnose the issue and perform remote resets. For persistent issues, contact Spectrum support, as it might indicate a broader network problem requiring professional service.